How to duplicate Shopify store. Duplicating a Shopify store enables you to create a backup or experiment with changes without affecting your live site. Now, this is how we are going to do it. So first things first, as you can see, this is my store here. It is the unnamed store. Now, from this point forward, all you have to do really is look for Duplify. All right, just like that. And you should see something like this. Duplicate your store. Go ahead and click this one. All right, now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and install this one. It's actually very easy. All right, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and click install. All right, after installing Duplify, we're going to go to our other store. So I'm going to click this one here, and this is the other store that I'm going to be using. So we're also going to go ahead and install Duplify in here. Okay, now that we have already installed it here, again, the name of this store is My Store. That's how simple it is. Now we're going to go back here to our unnamed store, and then we're going to go ahead and click Start Export. Now, where am I going to export this data? We're going to export it here. So scroll down here, and we're going to go ahead and copy the destination store. After copying that one, we're going to go back here and we're going to click Start Export. We're going to put the destination store unique key here, and then as you can see, it has managed to get the name. Now we're going to go ahead and put our notification email, and that is how it goes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you a free demonstration of it, because in order for us to proceed with this one, we have to subscribe first. So go ahead and click Start Demo. And that is how it works. As you can see, it is now working. And yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to duplicate your Shopify store. And as always everybody, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.